If you had extra money right now, what are some of the first things that you would do with the money? Would you buy a new car? Would you pay for your children's school fees? Would you take your family on a really nice vacation? Or would you take yourself on a nice adventure? I mean, there are so many things that we can do with more money, right? Well, I'm going to show you a very creative way to make money online. It's easy to do, it is free, and it is available worldwide. So if you're in Africa or Australia or Asia, Europe, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. Now all you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end. Every step is important. Don't skip through the video, and please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe, and click that bell icon so that every time I upload my new videos you will receive a notification. So the platform we're going to be using to make money is called DeviantArt. Now before we talk about this platform, we want to first go on to Digistore24. So digistore24.com, then you'll come onto this page. Now if you don't know what Digistore24 is, it's basically a place where you can promote other people's products. Now don't worry, this is much easier than you think. The first thing you need to do is register, which is absolutely free to do. You just click on this button that says register now, and it will take you on the registration page, which is very basic. Just put in a username, just put in your email address, password, your time zone, your name, and just fill in the details and click on register for free. Now it's very straightforward and easy. Now once you have your account, you come over here, and what you want to do is you want to click over here where it says marketplace. Now over here where it says marketplace, it is basically going to show you all the products that are available that you can actually promote and make some money. Now on this side over here, you'll see digital products. Now there are products in many different categories. There's computer and internet, there's dance and music, there's business and investment, there's email marketing, there's education, there's family and kids, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun, languages, job and employment, photography and motion picture. There are so many categories that you can choose from. Now because I'm dealing with the making money online, I'm going to go over here and click on internet marketing and e-business. So we want to find a nice product over here that we can promote, and what you want to make sure you do is that you check the commission that you'll get paid. So over here it's a good commission, it is 50%. So for example over here we'll get 50% commission on this amount, which is really good. It's good money. If we go into the second one over here, they're also going to give us 50% commission, and as you can see it's a good amount of money that we can make. And the next one is also 50%. Of course it's 50% of a lower amount, but yet it is still a good thing that we can promote. So you want to find something reasonable that you would like to promote, and then you just want to click over here where it says promote now. So if for example you're happy with this one, you'll click on promote now. Then it's going to give you a promotion link over here. So this is the promo link. So you want to click over here and you want to actually copy this. You want to copy that. So now that you've copied your link, the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto a website called bit.ly.com. bit.ly.com is basically a platform where you can actually shorten that link of yours. So you want to put that long link over here and you want to click here shorten, so it can make it shorter and look more presentable so that people could actually find this more appealing to click on. So as you can see now, this is the same link over here and it's now shorter, so you want to click on copy over here. Now that we have the copied link for our product that we would like to promote, the first thing we want to do is we want to come over here onto DeviantArt. Now I already have an account. It's very easy to get an account. It's free. Just sign up for a free account, and once you've signed up for a free account, you definitely get a message over here which just wants you to confirm your email so that you can have your account. Okay, now that you have your account, basically DeviantArt, the website is deviantart.com. DeviantArt is basically a place where people just upload their artwork. So it's a place for artists to make money. Now, one thing about DeviantArt is that people work so hard, but they don't make as much as they deserve. I mean, they make money on DeviantArt, but they don't make as much as they actually deserve. If you look carefully at all these illustrations, this artwork, it's professional stuff. It's really, really good looking. It's not people who are unexperienced who have done this. These are people who have a lot of experience, and they're really, really good. But unfortunately, they don't get as much exposure to their work, and even though they might get a lot of exposure, they don't get as much money as they actually deserve. So one thing about Divine Art is that you can actually contact the people and actually give them opportunities to actually boost their business. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find something really nice. So you will look for an artwork that looks very nice and creative. For example, this one. Then you will click on it, and basically this will be the artwork over here. Now you will see down here that it is by this artist over here. So you want to click over here, and then you want to click on send note. Send note, which simply means that you would like to send this artist a message. Now, before everything, I want to show you something really awesome about Divine Art. Something really awesome about Divine Art is that if we search on Google how many people are on Divine Art, you'll see we have over 48 million registered members and attract over 45 million unique visitors per month. So it is a really, really great platform. A lot of people. Over here, as you can see, this is divineart.com. There's been over 108 million total visits, which means that it is a lot of people that actually come on Divine Art. So there's a great potential to actually get clients, and I'll show you how you can make your money. So now that you're over here on Divine Art, basically this is where you actually would like to build forth a conversation with this artist. So I've created a template over here on Google Docs. So basically you want to say something like, hey there, I looked up your artwork and I think you have a lot of talent. I know people don't get paid enough on this platform, well, not as much as they deserve. I'm reaching out to you for a little boost. I have a great method that can help you make more money online. If you're interested, please give me a reply. Thanks, and keep up the good work. Now, this over here is what you would actually like to copy, and then you would like to go back over here and you would like to paste it, and you would like to send it to them. Just, fix the spelling errors, put in a nice subject, and then send them that message. You don't want to be straightforward with, promotion of whatever you want to promote to them. No, you first want to build a relationship with the artist, just greeting them. Hey there, I really liked your work, and I know that you don't make much money. If you're interested in a better method or a boost, please get back to me. So then when they get back to you, which they always do very quickly because they're always available, that is when you'll send them a nice message to say, hey, I found this really, really awesome strategy to make money online. It is a free course that you'll go through, and there's a free trial, and if you like the trial, then you can actually purchase the actual product, and it helps you to make more money online. You explain to them what it is, and obviously we'll be talking about exactly what we'll actually be promoting over here. So you just want to speak to them about the exact product that you've chosen to promote. For example, in our case, we'll talk about this, and then of course our link, which we shortened on Bitly, that is the one that we'll copy, and then on our next message over here, of course, once we're done, for example, let's do this and say, let's say the person has replied, then you would reply and say, hey there, thank you for your reply. Have a look at this. Look at this awesome strategy to make more money online. It has a high ranking, and is proven to work. If you are interested, kindly click on this link. Okay, then you would paste the link. So this link over here is basically your affiliate link, is your promo link, of course, for this product. So when the person actually clicks on the link, it's going to take them onto the page. And then, okay, let's take, for example, if we paste exactly that promo link, let's see what the actual customer would come up to. So let's have a look at what exactly the customer is actually going to see. Okay, let's just hold on for it, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so the page is loading over here. So basically this is the page that the customer will see. So you'll come onto this page, basically talking about the product, and then there's courses, testimonials. So as you can see, all of this is basically what the client will be seeing, all this information and so on and so forth, as you can see over here. So when the person actually makes the purchase, you're going to get 50% commission, which is really, really awesome. So the person can just browse through it and check it out. And if the person is interested, then, and they make a purchase, then you get 50% commission. As you can see over here, there's a tag that says Digistore 24, which means that we got it from the Digistore, which means that they have recognized that it's coming from an affiliate link, which is yours. And when they make a purchase, you make your money. So what you want to do is basically go onto DeviantArt and find different people that you would like to contact. Well, the error you don't want to make is you want to be contacting 50 people in like 10 minutes, or just be sending messages. No, the best thing to do is, like, maybe if you contact 25 or 50 people a day, or every 12 hours, maybe 50 people. Take it gradually. Don't be spamming people with messages, because you will be blocked if you do that. So slowly build conversations with different artists, and then you just be providing the same information to all of them, and surely a few of them will be interested and you'll make your money. So this is a great way to make money. I hope it helps you. And if you do have any questions, comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply to you as soon as possible. And please like the video as well if you haven't liked the video, and subscribe to the AD Money channel. I would really appreciate that. Check out my playlist. I have a lot of videos to help you make more money online. And remember to turn on the notification bell so that you receive notifications when I upload my new videos, so you can make more money online. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.